Hi and welcome to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be making a small loop fascinator from a Hatinator kit. You can buy these on my website twistfashion.co.uk. You can also find them on eBay, or you can buy your own Sinamay and cut off the required amount. For this you get a whole 1.5 meters long of Sinamay, and that's 2 inches wide. It will come folded. All you need to do then is fold in the edges so there's no raw edges shown, and then iron that. It also comes with a thin hairband. The ones from my website come with a thin hairband, some small goose bite feathers. We can curl those for added effect, and it comes with a small clip, so if you prefer to put it on a clip rather than a hairband, you can also do that. So yes, I'm going to fold in the edges first and then iron that, and then we can start looping the fascinator. So these will come in a variety of different colours. You could also mix and match, just messages and say if you want a different colour feather with your black Sinamay, or you know, you want navy with ivory feathers, we can do that. But hopefully there should be plenty of choice on the website. Also, you can buy ready-made fascinators on there if you haven't got the patience to make it yourself, but it's part of the fun, isn't it? So I'm going to do the other side and then I'll iron that. So now that's ironed, I'm just going to cut off the end. And this end. And then we can start looping. So this is, however, you know, up to your discretion how you want to do it. You usually start with a figure of 8. So that's going to go in there to hide the raw edge. Also, depending on how big you want them, it's going to be sort of a medium-sized one. Something like that, and then hide the edge of that one underneath. And then I'm going to sew that into place, and then sew on the, I think I'm going to use a hair clip for this one rather than a hair, well, I could use a hairband. So just keep sort of weaving in and out with small stitches. You can also follow us on Facebook, twistfashion.uk, and we have an Instagram page, which is also twistfashionuk, and we post other fascinators and whenever we upload a video, just to keep you up to date. Right, that's nearly all sewn together, I believe. So traditionally fascinators go on the right side of the head. So I'm going to place that in the middle. You could also use these loops and sew them onto like a pillbox base or saucer hat. Plenty of sources on the website. And then when that's safely secured onto the hairband, I'm going to add the feathers. So I'm just going to do quite a few stitches just to make sure it's nice and secure. So that's all nicely sewn together now and onto the hairband. Now we're going to curl the feathers. These are goose bite feathers. And like I said before, you can have them maybe in a contrasting colour. Nice lime would be nice. Or ivory, black and ivory, black and fuchsia. If you're wearing a fuchsia dress. So often people try and match their hat with their dress. I would go with a contrasting colour that, say, matches your shoes and bag. So if you had, you know, most people have black shoes, don't they, or black sandals. So wear like a fuchsia dress, and then you could have a black fascinator with the black Sinamay with fuchsia feathers, just to tie it all together. This is how you curl them. Just going to stick them in, get them into place, and then I'll glue them securely, glue them. So please do like this video if you found it useful. Where's the other one? Right. One more, I think. Often odd numbers look the best, odd numbers of feathers. I'll stick that one in there. And that's quite nice. And I'm going to glue them into place. All I'm using is some all-purpose super glue. This one's from Wilko if you live in England. Just any sort of fabric glue would work, or even a glue gun. I tend not to use glue guns, I find them a bit messy. This I can be quite accurate. I just put a tiny bit of glue on the end, and it's very strong. It really keeps it all in place. Right, that one goes in there. Please do subscribe, and if you want me to show you a tutorial of something else to make, then please do leave it in the comments, or any advice or questions you might have, just leave them down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Where did this one go? I think under there. Put it under there. Can be quite fiddly, and you don't want glue everywhere, so you just need to be a bit careful. Here's a little tip for you: if you do get a little bit of glue somewhere, you can get it off with nail varnish remover. Right, so there we go. You're happy with it? Hope you like the look of that. Please do subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye, take care.